Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create social media templates in Canva. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta go to Canva and click create a design and pick a platform such as Instagram post, Instagram story, Facebook post, YouTube thumbnail, or search directly such as Instagram template. And once you're here in the editor, you're going to click on template at the top left and choose a ready-made template, which is a fast option. Or if you wish to customize it completely, you can start blank if you want full control. So you're going to create a reusable layout such as header area, main image section, text section, footer. Keep it simple and repeatable. Make it consistent and use your brand colors, add your logo, choose 1 to 2 fonts only, and use consistent icons or shapes. To make it a reusable template, you can use placeholder texts like your text here, add empty image frames, keep layout flexible for future edits. And if you wish to duplicate for multiple posts, click duplicate page and you can create variations such as post 1, post 2, etc. and change colors or text slightly for variety. Once done, simply click on share at the top right and then click on template link and you can send it to whoever you want or save to a folder inside Canva. Now you can reuse it anytime or share it with others. So that was basically how you can create social media templates in Canva. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.